I love this idea. I really do. I think it's very interesting, but also kind of creepy. It's like, if the salesperson let me, oh, I know you went to USD, and I did too. It's like, oh. Really. But on the other but then on the other hand, I could say, oh, I wonder if I know them. But I think it's very intriguing. So, but when you're doing sales, I think you have to move fast, you have to connect, and you have to be personable. So, interesting. I don't have a question.
You gotta trademark that scream. That needs to be used at, like, football games, like something. But anyways, all jokes aside, I'm just curious, where did you come up with your business model? I'll be very honest. I like your product. I like your pitch. I think I do a lot of sales and marketing initiatives, and I can totally use your product. So I'd be an ideal customer. But I was unclear on how you came up with your pricing because it seemed a little confusing.
Yeah, so I'll take that one. Well, what we did, that's a great question. We looked at what's out there right now. Nova is currently listed at $89 a month per user. That's just one single user. And so for us to disrupt the market and be in there, 3 users, $88 a month. So that's kind of our initial price point. We'll have to do some analytics to be able to update that.
To add on to that, we also recognize that pricing is sort of, you throw it at the wall and then you see what sticks, right? So it's kind of a discovery process. And one thing to note is we initially started with per email subscription model. Right now it's a per user subscription model. And the idea is you can technically use our platform for as many emails and kind of not send it through our system, but still use our technology. So the user sort of model is the way we went. And finally, actually, we provide a team management feature, which is the idea that say you're a team of like 5 sales guys, and your manager, and one of the guys is like, for example, if you recognize we have a politeness score, one of the guys is doing a D grade on a politeness score on a sales unit. So you can sort of filter those out and block them before he sends it and ruins your sort of brand recognition.
Cool, thank you.
Love. I love it. I got your email. Which is great. So great job on the demo. Same thing. My question was around your subscription model. And it is, I do like that. I think what it did was take my email and aggregated information over the net, and it took that from LinkedIn.
Yeah, we do a bunch of things: LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and then we also do company level data, and then we do all those profiles, and then we do Google Trends for industry level data. We didn't showcase that. One tidbit is we didn't showcase also is, say you're targeting a Chinese vendor, and say you don't know Chinese cultural differences. What is Chinese New Year? So we can sort of vet that out and surface that for you, so you don't have to think about it.
Okay. Yeah, one thing I'm sure you guys are still in development is obviously the formatting of the email that's being received. So it's all just sort of text. So, but other than that, I think it's a great service, and I really see a lot of promise in this app.
Do you want to sign up?
Spoken like a true salesperson.